Within and all around you, there pulses a powerful force, invisible yet undeniable. This force shapes the rhythm of the seas, the storm's fury, and the calm of the morning dew. It influences your every emotion, thought, and action. But what if you could harness this force? What if you could use it to transform your reality? Today, we pull back the veil on an ancient secret, a truth that sages and scientists have whispered through the ages. Everything is energy. Not just the electricity that lights up our cities or the fuel that powers our cars, but everything. Your thoughts, your dreams, the very essence of your being, all resonating energy. Perhaps you have already heard of this concept, but have you really fully grasped what the implications are and what it means in terms of what your life looks like? Imagine manipulating this energy. Think of the possibilities if you could tune into this universal symphony and make it play your song. What would you change? What would you create? Let's explore how resonance, your ability to emit and receive energy vibrations, can unlock doors to new dimensions of experience. From altering your health to shifting your perceptions, the potential is limitless. Stay with us as we uncover the science and the spirituality behind this invisible force. Learn how to wield the magic of energy to manifest your deepest desires and transform your life in ways you've only imagined. In our quest to understand the invisible forces that shape our reality, we turn first to the bedrock of these phenomena, the scientific foundations of energy and resonance. Quantum physics, the study of the fundamental particles of the universe, reveals that at its core, everything is energy. Atoms, the building blocks of matter, are not solid objects, but rather consist of vortices of energy that are constantly spinning and vibrating. Each atom emits its own specific energy frequency based on these vibrations. Central to our understanding of energy is the law of vibration, which states that everything in the universe moves and vibrates at one speed or another. Nothing rests. Everything you see around you is vibrating at one frequency or another, and so are you. Resonance occurs when one object vibrating at a certain frequency causes a second object to oscillate at the same rate. This phenomenon is seen in everything from bridges and skyscrapers swaying in sync with wind vibrations to a singer shattering glass with just the right pitch. In the realm of bioenergetics, scientists explore how cells in the human body utilize energy. Each cell has a measurable electrical charge, which means each cell has an energy frequency. This electrical charge facilitates the myriad functions of the cells, from metabolic processes to nerve impulses. Advancements in medical science also underscore the importance of energy. Techniques like MRI scans and electroencephalograms, EEGs, utilize the energy emitted by the human body to diagnose and treat various conditions, proving that understanding and harnessing energy can have profound implications for health. As we continue to explore and understand the subtleties of energy and its laws, we begin to see the immense potential that this knowledge holds, not just for technological and medical advancements, but for unlocking new ways of shaping our own realities. Imagine if you could shape the fabric of your reality using the energy that emanates from your very being. This isn't just fantasy. It's a potential that lies within the grasp of our understanding and abilities through the mastery of our personal energy. Every thought, emotion, and intention generates an energy that can influence the world around us. This concept, rooted in the principles of quantum physics, suggests that our consciousness interacts with the quantum field continuously and with intentional direction. These interactions can manifest specific outcomes in our physical reality. The power of intention is fundamental in shaping our reality. Intentions act like magnets, sending out energy and attracting like energies. By focusing our intentions clearly, we align our personal frequency with that of our desires, bringing them into our reality through resonance. To harness this energy, one begins with self-awareness and regulation. Practices like meditation, mindfulness, and visualization help cultivate a powerful, focused mind that can consciously direct energy towards desired outcomes. Emotional clarity plays a critical role in energy management. Emotions charge our thoughts with energy, and clear, positive emotions amplify our ability to manifest. Cultivating emotional intelligence allows us to maintain the frequency that attracts positive changes and repels undesired outcomes. By continuously applying these principles, individuals create a feedback loop where positive energy attracts more of the same, effectively reinforcing the desired state of reality. This loop becomes a powerful cycle of manifestation that can dramatically alter one's life path. When individuals harness their energy effectively, the impact transcends the personal. It influences the collective energy field, contributing to a shared reality that is more harmonious and aligned with collective aspirations. This is how personal transformation can lead to global change. So what practical steps can we actually take today to, according to the words attributed to Gandhi, become the change we want to see? To truly tap into the transformative power of your own energy, it is essential to cultivate practices that enhance your awareness and control. The first practice is grounding. It involves connecting physically with the earth to stabilize your energy. Try walking barefoot on grass, sitting against a tree, or simply touching a plant. This practice helps discharge excess energy and aligns your energy field with the stabilizing forces of nature. Breathing is also a very powerful tool for regulating both physical and energetic states. Energy breathing involves visualizing a flow of energy with each breath. Inhale deeply, imagining positive energy entering your body, and exhale, visualizing the release of negative energy and stress. Another great practice is visualization. It harnesses the power of your mind to influence your energy field. Spend a few minutes each day picturing your goals as already achieved. Imagine the feelings, the environment, and the activities associated with your success. This mental imagery sends powerful signals to the universe, aligning your energy with your aspirations. You can also use affirmations and mantras, which are verbal tools for shaping your energy field. By repeatedly voicing positive, empowering statements, you reinforce the energy frequencies of these intentions in your life. Choose affirmations that resonate with your goals and recite them daily with conviction. If you would like to go a step further, you can consider regularly cleansing your energy. This practice can prevent the accumulation of negativity and maintain the clarity of your intentions. Practices such as smudging with sage, taking salt baths, or using sound vibrations like gongs or singing bowls are effective ways to cleanse your energy space. By incorporating these practices into your routine, you strengthen your ability to harness and direct your energy towards creating a reality that resonates with your deepest desires. Remember, consistency is key. The more you practice, the more profound the results. Start with one exercise today and build your practice gradually. As you become more attuned to your energy, you'll notice shifts not just in your surroundings, but in your perceptions and experiences. Remember, the principles of energy and resonance are not just abstract concepts, but practical tools that you can apply every day. By understanding and manipulating your personal energy, you open the door to endless possibilities, transforming your life and the world around you. Now, it's your turn to take these insights and turn them into action. Start small, perhaps with a simple breathing exercise or a daily affirmation, and gradually build a routine that resonates with your lifestyle and aspirations. I encourage you to share your journey with us. Comment below with your experiences, questions, or insights. What changes have you noticed? How has your understanding of energy impacted your life? Your stories inspire us all and create a community of like-minded individuals who are on this transformative path together. If you found value in our time together today, please show some love by clicking the like button. Also, share this video with others who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content that will help you navigate your spiritual journey and harness the power of your inner energy. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Until next time.